mentioned the difference between doing venue-based, and it's a lot easier to do that, schmoozing, right?
Yes.
In the online environment, you still got them to come in.
Mhm.
Was there anything unique to that, or is it just that you did a really great job in the class and that just transitioned easily to want them, or for them to want to come in and, meet with you one-on-one?
I think they were good students. I think that had a lot to do with it. My numbers that came in for this last class were so much lower, not just the online version, but just even the in-person. I mean, it was a teeny tiny little class, but the quality of the students that came in. So I'm thinking that, a year and a half ago when I started, I would get some in that were not real, they were enthused, but they weren't serious. These individuals that are coming in now, I feel like they're a lot more serious. They mean it. There's a reason why they're coming in. Um, I think there's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. You look at the market today and you can definitely see that, but they're wanting some direction. And the ones that are willing to risk the virus, if you will, or take the time to learn a new way of doing things through Zoom, I think they're much more serious about it and they're going to be better prospects overall.